Okay, let's talk about planting potatoes. So I use right now a wedge hoe right here. This works really good for weeding and also works really good for digging a trench for planting onions and potatoes. So I put that over there. I dug the trench. You can dig it 6 to 8 inches or a little bit more if you want, if you're able to get down in the soil. Here's the potato I'm going to plant. Some people might cut that in half, but I'm just going to leave it just like this. It'll work out really good. I don't need to cut it in half, so I'll be fine with it. So what I'm going to do is put it in the bottom of it, and I'm only going to cover up the potato just a couple inches of soil. And I'm going to leave all this other area up and open like this. And when you plant the potato, the eyes do not have to be out. Just the best way to do it is kind of have them pointing up. But they don't have to be out of the soil. They can be completely covered. So again, I'm just going to cover it with a couple inches. And then if the eyes stick out, that is fine as well. It doesn't matter which way. Here's an old onion from last year. And so what I'll do is, as the potato grows, it will get green foliage. And so I will keep mounding the dirt from all this dirt that I've dug off on the side like this. And I will keep that, I will let the green foliage go, but I will keep it mounded. So it'll end up getting quite mounded, and I'll end up having to dig even more dirt from the side to keep it mounded up on top. The green part can grow, but you just want to keep a couple inches of soil on top of the little potatoes that are growing underneath there, because you don't want the sun to, it'll get the green part. It'll scald the potatoes, it'll get the green on it, and you don't really want to eat that part. So the best way to do that is to mound it and just keep all those potatoes underneath the ground. They always want to keep pushing up, so you got to keep mounding it. So that's what's really good about doing these big trenches, that you end up with lots of soil on the side, that you can go ahead and doing that. So hopefully that'll help you get your potatoes going. If your potatoes have a, I don't have a potato to show you, but if you start to see, like, after you harvest them, it'll be some black scurf, they call it, and you would get myco seed treat, and it's just like a seed, a powder that you put in the soil. It's just a bacteria in the soil, and it helps get rid of the myco, or whatever that's called, the black scurf. So if that happens when you harvest them and you see them, they're still edible. I just peel it off, and then I go ahead and I just use the myco seed treat for something for next year in the soil when you go to plant. So happy potato planting.